Hello friends, welcome to techguys.com.ng. My name is Collins and I will be your instructor for this course. Now let me show you the quick demo of the course I'm going to build. Look at the course I'm going to build. I did it on a local environment. Now if you refresh this course, you see some animations on it. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this animation. You have to download these patterns and we have to download these illustrations and we have to download these patterns. As you can see, there's something behind these cut patterns, and I'll show you how to do this logo. There's a place you can do this logo 100%. So this website was built 100% free resources. It was built 100% and it's mobile friendly. That is the beauty of this website. These are animations. Look at the tagline. This is the about us section. Blah blah blah. This is a dummy text. Now you can put whatever you want in about us section. If I click on this thing to show you the video, so I'll show you how to put this video on overlay. Now you can see some animations here. What we do, you can explore our services sections. These are animations. So this website is very wonderful, mobile friendly. Now there is call to action at the beginning and there is call to action at the end. So look at this color picker. If I click on this color picker, now color picker, you see we have primary and secondary colors. Click on it, we have primary and secondary colors. So look at it, look at the colors. So I will show you how to do all these things to get the primary and secondary colors, and also tell you how to secure your website, both the table prefix, how to change the default table prefix, how to change the default username from admin to any other things, how you can use complex password, two-factor authentication security plugins, hiding your username, backing up your your website, getting a free SSL, limit login attempt, disable directory indexing, and lots of other things. This is how I was able to fix my hack site. Now I'll also show you how to hide in login hints. Like here, if I click on this website, maybe I make mistake. Now so it's going to show me. I see the password you enter for the username is incorrect. If you put good password and change the username, it's going to show you unknown username. So I'm going to show you how to do this and see the one I did for myself. If I make, even though I made mistake, it's going to show me something is wrong. So I'm going to show you how to turn this thing from unknown username to something is wrong, whether you put incorrect username or incorrect password. So this is what I'm going to show you how you are going to do it now, and I also show you how to back up your website, how to add codes to your website. Just don't worry about the codes. I'm going to it's a copy and paste code. You don't need to know about you don't need to know the coding. Just copy and paste, and I'll tell you how to set up and verify your site from GT Matrix and a host of other things. Now let's just navigate to the website and so you see what you're going to learn. Our services page. Now blog section, about us, contact us. So this is get in touch. Now this will be a map. This will be a map for your business. This will be your phone number, email, and address. Now if you come to about us, I want to show you something. You see some of this animation. I'm going to show you how to do it. I didn't put an image. You can put the image. So look at the website when I took it online. Still have any question, any fancy net? This one I took it online. Let's refresh it. Now I see some animation. These are animations. This is a testimonial section. This is a blog section. Now if you come to host of other things. You see many things here. Now look at this. Connection is what? Secure. Connection is secure. But look at the other post website, not secure. I will show you how to put this as secure. Turn this thing from not secure to secure using SSL certificate. Now look at, I will show you how to hide this username. Let's check something. Enumerate usernames. Are you seeing? This is an extension called WP Intel. It's going to enumerate every usernames of the website you're using. Every look at admin. So you may not know the effect of this thing. Once you have a username, you are giving your hackers at least 50% or 30% of how to hack your website. The only way is if you use a complex password. That's when you are going to retire them. But if they don't know your username, there won't be any DDoS attack and a host of other things. So I'm going to show you how to hide your username. Like if you come to my website right here now, let's refresh. This is my website. Now look at, you can't even tell whether it's WordPress or not. Couldn't detect any WordPress installation on this website, in as much as it's a WordPress. And if you go to this hackertarget.com, look at now hackertarget.com. This is the website I did for a client. I will show you how to hide this username. Look at username not found. This is the many places hackers can go to get the information of your website. So you need to hide this information from them. It's very important to hide this information from them. I'll show you how to do this bank grade security. Now if you come to GT Metrics, I'll also show you how to speed up your website. If you come to GT Metrics, let me just copy this different net. I'll show you some things. See it, paste it. Let's check the speed. So let's check the speed. Are you seeing the speed? Page speed score 92, wide slow 90, 3.5 seconds loaded, 1.8 megabytes. This 31 request. That's something I did to optimize this speed, to change the speed. So I've already done it. I would have showed you before I did it, but these are below. Look at this website. It has not been optimized. This express.com is a restaurant website. I checked it here. It's not optimized. See page 75, wide slow 59, very poor. 142 requests, very poor. If you optimize this thing, the request will reduce and your site speed will increase. I'm going to show you how you're going to do all these things. Very important. And you're supposed to know that speed and SSL certificate, something like this, is what makes Google to rank your site higher than any other site. It's one of the factors that makes Google to rank your site when your website is secure and when the speed of your website, when your website has enough speed, the base speed, and it can open in less amount of time. Like any website that can open something more than 5 seconds, Google deranks those websites. They deranks it because it's not a good user experience. So you need to minimize it, and anything less than 5 seconds is not good enough. So it'll make your website speed less than 5 seconds. So as you can see, this one into fascinating was made 3.5 seconds, but this one 5.6 seconds is okay. It's also good somehow, but what I'm considering is the request. This request should be reduced. So all this is I'm going to show you. Do the same thing with Pingdom. Tools.pingdom.com. Now you can test from different location, or you can log in and select your location. But these locations that is at line for people that are not logged in, you can check that up. You can also test your speed with developers.google.com, with tools.kingdom, keycdn.com. So this is my site. You can go to the site. You want to become an instructor, this one is not what I have to do. Now these are my other sites, and I'll show this one was built with not with WordPress, was built with coding from scratch with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP. I will show you how to do this thing. The course is coming very soon. Just stay tuned. Now I will also show you how to host your site with Cloudflare. Cloudflare will help you to reduce DDoS attack and host other things. It's a security website. I will show you how to link your website with Cloudflare by changing the name servers. You can host your website with SiteGround or Bluehost or HostNow. This one is very good hosting company. In fact, it can be #1 hosting company. Very fast, reliable, and many other things. Powerful cloud hosting company. Now you can also use Bluehost, cheaper than SiteGround, also good. You can also use HostNow now, somehow good. It's also good, but it can't be compared with Bluehost and SiteGround. These ones are more pricey than this one. You can also host a website with infinity free, but you are limited with number of things. You can read that up completely free, no false ads. You can host it here. I will show you how to set that up. You can, if you don't want to spend a dime, you can purchase free domain from this freenom.com. It's not advisable. If you have the money, you should purchase a domain from all this hosting company. From all this, they can offer you can purchase domain from them and also host a website from them. But if you don't have money, you can purchase domain from here freely and test, or you can use it, but it's not recommended. So there are many things you need to learn in this class. It's inexhaustive. I can't exhaust all of them, but once you purchase the course, that you will see all those things I'm going to show you. There are many things I want to say here in this demo, but once you purchase the course, you are going to see them. Now this course is built with 100% free resources. As I've said, you need to know about that. You don't need to pay for anything, only for hosting and domain name. If you don't want to pay, I've already showed you how to do it, but it's very important you pay for hosting and domain name. So because nothing is free, everything that is free comes with some limitations. Now this is the site. So there are many things I need to show you, even how to change your table prefix, how to hide your login. I've showed you this WP Intel, how to hide the usernames. Like if I come to this site and I do the same thing of WP Intel, it's going to eliminate all the usernames, which is very wrong. It's going to help hackers to attack your site, except they're using a complex password. Now this is WP Intel. There are many other things I will need to show you once you purchase this course. So this course is born out of experience. I've been experienced in building websites. I'm a full stack web developer. So once you buy this course, you won't regret it. You won't regret it. This course is very nice. So purchase this course and you will enjoy it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Let's see you in the next chapter.